Arcadia traffic, Skyhawk 8987 Victor with the weather, taxi from camping site to the ramp with the weather. Outbound route is west. Arcadia traffic, Skyhawk 8987 Victor, lining up runway 24 and take off outbound west. Arcadia traffic. Good, runway 24 identified. Runway 31 at Venice. Traffic, Skyhawk 8987 Victor, line up runway 31 and take off outbound north. Venice traffic. Good. Brake release.
Venice traffic alert 927, Sierra Kilo's entering a left downwind runway 31, full stop Venice.
Rotate. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 8987 Victor, lining up and taking off runway 36 outbound, direction west. Ferry traffic.
Number 8987 Victor, south to your approach, I'll be loud and clear.
I would like to request a full flight. I'm 4 miles west of Ferry at 3,200 feet.
Number 8987 Victor, say type aircraft.
Type of aircraft, Cessna 172, 736.
Number 87 Victor, squawk 0210.
Squawk 0210, 87 Victor.
November 87 Victor, radar contact 8 miles west of the Perry Airport, say altitude.
Position and altitude correct, 87 Victor.
Alright, 87 Victor, I didn't copy that, say altitude again.
Position and altitude correct, destination is Papa November Sierra, 87 Victor.
November 87 Victor, roger, proceed on course, and what altitude are you going to be cruising at?
Cruising at 6,500 feet, climbing at the moment from 3,900 feet, 87 Victor.
Or 87 Victor, roger, maintain VFR at or below 5,500.
5,500, 87 Victor. Pensacola approach, Skyhawk 8987 Victor, information Oscar, field in sight.
Number 97 Victor, for now, flight heading of 280 for sequence for runway 35.
Heading 280, runway 35, 87 Victor.